Hey explorers, Kita the Explorer here, and today I'm taking you on a completely different adventure to my garage. Guess I'm in my garage where I actually do a lot of my product photography photo shoots, and I'm going to show you what tools I have in my product photography studio, and you're going to see me do a shoot today, just a mini little shoot of products for an upcoming graduation announcement that I'm going to do on my Instagram or social media. So let's get started. But before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and a notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos come out every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It's free, so you might as well hit subscribe, and it helps my channel by getting more subscribers and watch time. Now let's get into today's adventure. All right, so I have a lot of different tools here. I'm gonna show you the first few things in my reach from this area. So first off, I have a tripod that does a lot of different things, different heights, different adjustments. So that's definitely needed for product photography because sometimes you gotta get into some weird angles and your back can't get that way. And plus you really wanna be able to hold things steady. So that's what I have there. Here I have a table. This is the actual table that I will put my products on. And then right here is a black backdrop, but I also have a white one that I'm going to switch out to for this shoot. Here are some booms. A boom is like, for instance, if you want to put a purse on the end and let it hang up, this supports that. I don't think I'll be using it today, but we'll see. I also have just a few things sitting here. These are just little place areas, some little towels if I want to style the bottom of a product. And here are some different diffusers. And let's move over to this cluttered table. All right, at this table, I have the things that I'm gonna be shooting in this bag and over here in this box, in this cloth here. These are the tripod cases. Here's the white backdrop. I also have some cards and stuff that helps with bouncing light, and another diffuser that I made. And of course I have to have my music, so that's here. And then of course you gotta have the camera, right? That's important. I also have several lights. So here's one. I'm using one right now to record this. Here's some different stands for like the boom, or if I need another light. I have some over here. And I have several of these clamps. This helps clamp down the backdrop, or who knows, it does a lot, trust me. So those are all the things I have in my studio for today. Now let's get things set up for this shoot. So as I mentioned, I'm changing out the backdrop from black to white. I think it will be better for contrasting what I'm going to shoot today. And then next, I'm going to set my camera up onto the tripod. So now I have the white backdrop onto my stands. So now I'm just adjusting the height to make sure I don't see anything from the garage behind me. Now I'm going to set up the actual products onto this backdrop. And this is the fun part because you have to style it and get it to look the best way you want it to look. So that may require a lot of adjusting depending on what you're shooting. Sometimes I can just throw something up there and it'll be good the first time, but today I'm having a harder time getting exactly what I want in my vision to come out on this backdrop. So I'm going to continue playing around to get exactly what I want. So once you get finally what you want in your setup, now you have to start with playing with the lighting. Sometimes you may need one, sometimes you may need two, or even three multiple lights at different angles to get the best lighting for the product you're shooting. And if something is shiny like the party hat, you may have to use diffusers, some bounce cards, some fill cards to kind of help with the lighting, as that shiny material will bounce the light reflection or anything in the room. All right, explorers, so I have finished this product photography shoot and I'm going to go take these photos, put them on my computer, because sometimes when you put on the computer, you're like, I don't like that photo, but I like this one, or I just don't like any of them. And then I have to start over. But I've been out here for about a little over an hour working on this, because it's a whole thing to get the lighting right for a product. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're hard. And it depends on a lot of things like the shininess, the angles, all that type of stuff. So, and it gets even worse when you're trying to style it and put other dynamics into it. So I think I got my few shots that I want to use, because I review them in camera. I could tether it to a computer so I could see it live on a computer while I do that, but I don't. So I have to go to the computer and look. But yeah, so I think I have the ones that I want for my graduation promo, and I'm excited about that, so I can get that into the works. And here are the final photos that I have chosen for my ads. You can go to my Instagram at Photography by Keita to see exactly what I did with them. But I'm here, I am done. I hope you enjoyed this, some little things I talked about throughout the video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and leave any questions you have about product photography down below in the comment box. And if you're interested in a product photography shoot, or buying prints, or a portrait shoot, or event shoots, you can head to my website at keitatheexplorer.com. That will be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, and make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can get in on this product photography demo as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.